Good morning, students. I hope all of you are enjoying your summer vacations and staying safe at home. Welcome to the online computer class. We have already studied chapter 1 computer system in detail in our class. Today we will have a look at overview or we can say summary of the topics covered in this chapter. This will reinforce what we have already learned and eventually enhance our knowledge about computer system. I request everyone to listen carefully and if possible keep a notebook with you so you can write important points. So without delay, let's begin our presentation. So firstly, let's understand what is a computer system. All the components of computer like CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, etc combine to form a computer system. Now let's know how a computer works. All computer works on a concept called IPO cycle. In this, I stands for input, P stands for process, and O stands for output. Now let's understand in detail. So for a computer to work, firstly we have to give input or instruction to the computer. Or in simpler words, we can say we have to tell the computer what we want the computer to do. After that, computer processes the input given by us and at last computer provides us output or result. For example, if we have to do addition of two numbers using computer, firstly we have to give the input using keyboard and type the two numbers. After that, computer will process it or find out the answer of it and at last it will provide us output or answer of the question asked by us. Now let's move to next slide. Components of CPU cabinet. You should be very well familiar about all these components as I have already shown you all these components physically in the computer lab. If you want to have a look at these components again, don't hesitate to ask about it when we go to the lab next time. Now let's do a quick recall what we have learned about these components. Motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board of the computer. All the components are connected to it. Next, processor. Processor is called the brain of the computer. It performs calculation and control all operations. A faster processor makes the computer work faster. Next, hard disk. It stores data permanently. It can store documents, photos, videos, software, etc. Next is SSD, or we can say that solid state drive. Its purpose in the computer is same as hard disk, but the only difference is it's faster than hard disk. Hard disk is older technology whereas SSD is a new technology for storing data. Next device is power supply or SMPS. SMPS stands for switch mode power supply. SMPS supplies electricity to all computer components. Without power supply, computer cannot work. Next, next component is RAM or we can say random access memory. It stores temporary data while the computer is working. More RAM helps the computer to run smoothly. Next component, processor fan. The processor fan keeps the processor cool. It prevents the computer from overheating. All the components work together to make the computer function properly. Now let's move to next slide. Students, now we will learn about computer ports. Ports are connection points used to connect external device to the computer. Now let's understand about the ports in detail. So firstly, we will understand about a VGA port and HDMI port. Both are used to connect monitor to CPU, but the difference is VGA port only shares video, whereas HDMI port shares both video and audio in high quality. Next, next we will study about the USB port. It is used to connect many devices to computer like keyboard, printer, mouse, etc. Okay, next. Now let's move to next port, that is Type C port. It is actually the mini and more advanced version of USB port. This is uh, actually this Type C port. The arrow is wrongly pointing to it to be here. It is actually here above the net. Okay. Next is power connector. It connects computer to electricity. Next, LAN port. LAN port connects the computer to internet using a LAN cable. Next, audio port. Audio port is used to connect headphone, microphone or speaker. Now let's move to next slide. Students, devices connected to computer are mainly divided into two categories, input device and output device. What are input device? The devices that are used to give input in or instruction to the computer, or in simpler words, we can say the device with the help of which we can tell the computer what to do are called input device. Example, keyboard and mouse. Next, output device. The devices with help of which computer provides us output or result after processing the given input are called output device. Example, monitor and printer. Now, is there any device which is neither input or output? Yes. Obviously, in computer there is one device which is CPU, that is neither a input device nor a output device. It is processing device. Now let's move to next slide. Now at last there is one task for you. You have to select any one chapter from any of the subject, science, math or computer, and make presentation on it and send it on my WhatsApp number that is mentioned here. Also make sure to write your name, class along with section and roll number. One very important thing, don't take it as a burden, like we have already got holidays homework and sir is adding one more thing to it. No, no, no. Take it as an activity to show your creativity skills. Learn something new. Don't do this homework for me. Do it for yourself. It is a wonderful opportunity for you. I am excited to see your creativity and presentation skills. I know all of you will do a wonderful job. Now, understanding the importance of your precious time of summer vacation, in which you will build wonderful memories for the lifetime, I will not take much of your time. This is the end of this presentation. Thanks for watching the video till end.